Align, restore, and transform with the Right Spinal Clinic. Welcome to the Right Spinal Clinic, your best partner in taking control of your health. We specialize in a comprehensive range of services: chiropractic care, physical therapy, weight loss programs, and aesthetics. Your journey to wellness starts here. Experience the transformative power of chiropractic care. Our expert chiropractors provide tailored treatment plans, bringing alignment, relief, and improved function to your life. Regain strength and mobility with our physical therapy, personalized therapeutic exercises, and manual therapy techniques designed to help you move better and live pain-free. Kickstart your wellness journey with our weight loss program. Guided by experienced nutritionists, we empower you to make informed, healthy choices and offer continual support to help you reach your goals. Discover our aesthetic services. We combine cutting-edge technology with professional expertise to enhance your natural beauty and boost your self-confidence. Taking care of your health shouldn't be a financial burden. That's why we accept insurance, making our top-notch services accessible and affordable. Join us at the Right Spinal Clinic, where your health is our priority. Our team of dedicated professionals is committed to helping you lead a healthier, more fulfilling life. We're not just your healthcare providers, we're your partners in health. Our mission is to empower you to take control of your health and wellness. Align, restore, and transform with the Right Spinal Clinic. Visit www.trspinalclinic.com or call us today at 813-392-2164 to schedule your appointment. The Right Spinal Clinic, your best partner in taking control of your health.